return a damaged item on Jumia for a refund. Here's how to do it. You just click on your account, click on orders, then just look for the item and tap see details. I haven't shopped on Jumia yet, that's why you don't see anything. Now, then when you click see details, you just select return item and choose damaged as the reason and fill in the return form with an honest detailed description. You have to take clear photos and videos of the damage, packaging included, before you do anything else. This protects your claim if there's a dispute, and then you choose your return method. Maybe have a delivery agent pick it up or just drop it off at the nearest Jumia pickup station. Now, return window is 7 days from delivery for the Jumia Express, 15 days for Jumia More items. Now, you need to keep the original packaging, manufacturer's box, tags, and manuals. For phones and electronics, the seal must be intact if you're returning for change of mind, but damage claims are different. Keep everything as close to the original condition as possible. Return any freebies or promotion items that came with it. Unfortunately, you have to return that too. You just have to have proof of purchase ready. There is the order number and the invoice. Now, after you submit, Jumia inspects the item once it's picked up or dropped off. If validated, refund typically takes 3 to 7 days depending on your refund method. Vouchers can be fast as 24 to 48 hours. If not validated, the items get redelivered to you and no refund is issued.